Hey guys, welcome again in this another tutorial video. So in the last vid we saw that how we can create our column method, and in this video we will see that how we can pass a parameter or argument in a method. So for those who don't know me or new here, hey guys, I'm Ujjwal and I make Java tutorial just like this. So if you're interested in those stuff, then please consider subscribing. Now I hope you all are doing great and ready to learn. So let's kick this video. Methods. So guys, I'm assuming that you already know about methods from a previous video, but if not, then it is nothing but just a block of a code which only runs when it is called, and it used to perform certain actions, and it can also called a function. And one thing about method, that you can call a method as many times as you want. Also you can pass the parameters to the method. Parameter. So guys, as the word defines itself, parameter means some values or some information. So here we have this mini program guys, which will help us to understand that how we can pass a parameter inside a method. So to demonstrate that, I have made a class here. The name of my class is Java method 2, and here I have this method. The name of my method is new method, and here this is the parameter which I'm passing here. Then the name of the parameter is name itself, and it is a string type of parameter. And in the main function, I'm initializing the value for my parameter. So this is how we pass the parameter, just by writing the name of our method, and we need to write the parameter which we want to pass inside these two parentheses after writing our method name. Okay, multiple parameter. So guys, as the word defines itself, multiple, which means more than one. So in Java we can add as many parameters as we want. We just need to separate our parameter with a comma. Here we have this mini program. Let's go ahead and see this, which will help us to know that how we can pass multiple parameters. So it's very similar like the last example which we saw, where we passed one parameter. So we just need to type the comma after one parameter, which is a string f name. Again, we have to type the name of our method. In my case, this is my method. Then the type of my first parameter and the name of my first parameter. Then I put a comma, then the type, and again the name. I can put as many as you want, like I can just say comma, then in type of age. Here I can just say that show the age, and here comma I can just say the age is 20, and here I can say the age is 25. So this is how we can pass as many as parameter we want just by putting comma. And how we can pass the parameter is just by writing the name of our method, and the in parentheses we need to type the name of our parameter and what type the parameter is, and in the main function we have to pass the values.